I veer back over, and we have these big hard cases on the bikes, and boom, right into the side, and I just start dragging against the center divider, and they have these like reflectors that stick off the side. I'm just like in these things, and I guess it took just a couple seconds, and I woke up obviously, and to that bike's credit, I was still going forward. Got a hold of the bars, and I was like, okay, awake, and we had Cardo headsets. I was able to very quickly confirm to him, like, all right, we were in traffic going so slow with that kind of temperature, and you're like 50, but I was like, I gotta go.
Oh my God.
I just gripped it and ripped it, and I said, I'll see you at the next stop, and I was gone.